Okay, this is now my second part of the where I had to leave off from the first part of my reels. This is part two of the reels I'm making now after I got off New SkyTrain station. Going to film some SkyTrain and the cars that were switched up in the yards and the CNR and the CPKC side of downtown New Westminster. You're just K-side drive and looking around there on the SkyTrain and did a little bit filming footage there and then so for the still shots I've done here, okay, so I just want to finish to complete the part I can upload in the first part. Anyway, please enjoy, and as I got some other, they got various Southern Railway trap yards and still picture form as well. Already uploaded the reel and stuff like that on my YouTube or Facebook or whatever, so okay, please enjoy.